Hey guys, Reviews and More, back with one final review on the Instant Pot Cooker. This is the Power Cooker Plus, so say one of these Instant Pot style pressure cookers. This will be chili, so I will put down the basic recipe, but essentially it is onion, celery, garlic, chives if you want them in there, sauteed, followed by adding in the various chili ingredients, about 3 tablespoons of chili powder, a tablespoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Pretty much takes care of it. And after that, it's just adding in corn, beans. If you want more onions than I put in, I put 2 onions in there. And then from there, you just add what you want in. That's how everybody's chili works. Nobody has the same chili. Every chili is a little bit different. And you can make a veggie chili or a beef-based chili out of this, or if you don't like either of those things, you can make pork-based chili if you want to get some ground pork. And that's essentially all there is. This is not a cooking show, so you're going to see me cooking this stuff up and the end product in about maybe 2 minutes. So again, thanks for watching. This little item is really cool. It's called the Power Cooker Plus, and it does a great job, and it works as advertised. It's perfectly safe. And so far, I've really enjoyed cooking with it. And this is probably my last cooking video. There's only one more I want to do, which is maybe lasagna. But that's going to be a pain, and it's going to take, I think there's a learning curve to it, because I don't do a lot of cooked pasta like that. So that'll be a little different. So thanks for watching again. I hope you've enjoyed these videos if you've been watching them. And have a great day, guys. I'll post the actual ingredients list onto the description. That way everybody has it. But I'm not going to talk anymore. Y'all have a great day. Hopefully this video helps out. Have a good one.